Welcome to Healthy Life Tips, where we educate and show you the things you need to do to stay healthy. In today's video we will look at the effective ways to stop bad breath and tooth gum disease. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe below and turn the notification bell to be among the first people to see our new video. Also watch to the end, because we will be giving away some free gifts this Xmas. Make sure to watch to the end to enter for the free gift. In today's video we will be talking about the chewable oral probiotics for mouth and its benefits. Dr. Paul O'Malley's blend of protective oral probiotics is a powerful defense against bad bacteria. It naturally controls the aggressive overgrowth of certain types of bacteria to help you maintain a healthy mouth, nose, throat, and sinuses. They help prevent tooth decay, bad breath, and gum disease. Fight bad breath and support immunity. These oral probiotic works non-stop to attack bad breath at its source and restore healthy gums and teeth. By naturally controlling bad bacteria, it restores a healthy, non-acidic pH to your mouth. It also works to support and strengthen your immune system. Learn more from our ebook with the link on your bottle. Clinically researched strains, a powerful blend of dental probiotics packed with 7 potent strains of beneficial bacteria. The patented 𝗕𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗧𝗛 and 𝗕𝗓𝗪-M18, Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus reuteri, Lactobacillus salivarius, Lactobacillus paracasei, Lactobacillus thermophilus, and Streptococcus salivarius. Longer shelf life and no refrigerator necessary. Oral Health oral probiotics are made to exacting standards in a premier USA manufacturing lab. They do not require refrigeration. Restoring a healthy mouth takes time, and for best results, they must be taken correctly. But no worries, just click the link below on description and message us with any questions that you may have. 100% money back guarantee. Our chewable oral probiotics are vegetarian, gluten-free, and lactose-free with a natural, sugar-free mint flavor. It has no artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners and is 100% fluoride and bleach-free. Unlike other cheap halitosis cures or bad breath treatments, these will not leave a metallic aftertaste or deaden your taste buds. Thanks for watching. Click the link below to order for your own chewable oral probiotics for mouth today. Also, check the link below for some free gifts.